Welcome to an introduction to item data review. In this training video, we will provide you with an overview of the item development and field testing process, academic standards and their role, as well as the role of item data. In the previous video, we looked at the assessment development process. Today we are here. Educators, such as yourself, will review the field test data for each of the new items. About 18 months ago, the writing and editing process of these items began. About a year ago, a group of Minnesota educators and community members edited and approved the items based on their content and fairness. Then just a few months ago, the questions were field tested across the students in Minnesota using a random sampling method. And now, your group will review the items based on their performance data and alignment to the Minnesota K-12 standards. You will be advising MDE on which items to allow into the operational bank and therefore to be used for the school and district accountability measures. This is an example of the academic standards that you will use for this review. The information is available in the online platform that we will use, called ABBY. We'll talk more about that later. You will find the extended benchmark language included in the access points associated with the extended benchmark, the specific access point associated with this item, and be sure to scroll to see the full text. While this example is for reading, it will also apply for the other content areas. The academic standards helps to provide if the item is properly aligned to the grade level extended benchmarks, and if the item aligns to the specific access points that the item is meant to be aligned to. Field test data is available for each of the items we will review. Think of this data as the test results for the item after it took the test full of students, and not as the students taking a test full of items. We'll talk more about interpreting the data in an upcoming module. For now, know that you will use the data in addition to your professional experience to help you evaluate the item and the answer options, and to verify that the item is free of errors, and nothing outside of the skills being tested is interfering with the student's ability to answer the question correctly. Thank you. This concludes the training video on the Introduction to Item Data Review.